Hi, how are you doing? Today we are going to draw an ox. Let's start the drawing from the front side. Let's draw the face first. So usually it has a smooth and nice face in the front. You can see I am drawing the basic shapes of the ox. The eyes you can see here, and on the other side too the eyes. Okay, so few shades. This will be the nose and the mouth here, and you can see the border lines here. All right, usually it contains two horns. Sometimes also you can see without horns, it doesn't matter, but the basic shapes that are very important to show the body and the usual figure. It has some smooth surface like this, and you can see the legs coming like this. Okay, all right, and the body it just runs through to the back side like this. All right, okay, all right. Now we're going to draw the rear legs, which is in the back. As you can see that we are uh, drawing that this leg, this is visible from this side. That's why we are going to draw the whole shape of the legs, but the other side the leg is partially visible, so we are not drawing the full shape of the leg on the other side. We're just seeing the partial view. And for the tails, we're going to draw the tail like this. It's a long line, and at the end there are some hairs. You can see the curve is very important on the back, and there's a high place here which is connect to the head. You can see here, and another part of the front leg which is partially visible because the leg is on the other side, we can draw here. All right, now the drawing, you can see that this is partially complete. The outline is done. Then we have to put some shades. Let's get some colors. We can use usually any color for the drawing, but I prefer this yellow tone for the shading. I'm going to run through all the body. The texture and the color and the depth of the tones, those can vary from ox to ox because there are so many breedings, so many combinations. So this is not all the same for same ox. But when we put the shades, we try to make some combinations of the lights and the shadows. That's why, as you know, the light is coming from one side. We're going to put the shadow on the other side. The part of the rear leg, one leg is done. I'm going to draw the another leg. All right, this is a male cow, that's why it's called ox, and it has the male genital organs. I'm going to color all that. Okay. All right. In the bottom, usually the shades are little deeper. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the front legs and putting some shades on it. That side was partially visible from the other side. Now the side which I'm drawing right now, this is fully visible from this side because this leg is the right leg and this is visible from this side. Now I'm going to put the shades on the front part of the body. Okay, so you can see the progress of the drawing. All right, this is the ears. Okay, and the horns are very dark and deep. That's why I'm putting a deep strokes for the horns. And the top part of the face, you can see the variations of the shadows. This is little darker. Okay. As you can see, the depths of the colors, the whole body, just making the drawing really a nice one. And the shading, it's almost done. All right. And the legs, the bottom part, this is totally dark. This is also totally dark. And for the ground, we can use the crayon color to show the ground under the cow. Alright, so this is the ox and the drawing looks nice. Thanks for watching. Please do the practice at home and you can draw better than this one. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. Thanks for watching. Today this is a very nice environment I'm drawing. Let's see the environment here. You can see the greeneries, the trees and the other stuffs, and the natural sceneries outside. So it's a very nice environment. When you draw something, please select a very nice spot so that your mind becomes very good and the drawing becomes very good. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.